Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I want to take a look at HQY. This is Health Equity Inc. Now, I found this stock as I was surfing through the Growth 250 from IBD, and it just turned out that one of our members actually talked about this in our active trading forum as well today, and it just goes to show what a great trading community we have at stockmarketmentor.com. And if you are trading by yourself right now, I got to tell you, there's nothing like trading with a supportive group of experienced traders, no matter whether you've been trading for a year or 20 years. It's great to have a great group with you, and we certainly do at stockmarketmentor.com. And so this was posted in our active trading forum, but I found it in the Growth 250. It's a nice looking chart here. You can see how HQY is above all the major moving averages. Pretty much has been in a strong uptrend since the beginning of the year. Now, there's not many charts that you could say have been in a strong uptrend since the beginning of the year, other than maybe the US dollar or TBT, like it's actually hard to find stocks that have been in strong uptrends. But this one is, and it's near some recent highs. And so I think it makes sense to set an alert on my trading software right around that 74.20 level. It's pretty important here. You can see that was the level it was at before it broke down for whatever reason, and it bumped up against it a few times. There, almost got there, and there. And so I think if this stock can break through 74.23 and do it on volume, it could trigger a potential swing trade to maybe the high back here at around 84 bucks. So that's what I would look for here on HQY. I'm going to set an alert on my software. You might want to do the same for yourself. And if you want to see what else we're looking at or what our members are talking about, be sure and take a trial for StockMarketMentor.com. Click the link, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.